We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, and the stock has continued to push up higher from the recent lows, finding support, and here we are seeing one large candle in the aftermarket hours. We're going to break down everything going on here within the chart, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single morning. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. All three of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was AGRI. And this is when we caught it early on in the pre-market, shifting from red with green borders to green, going into strength on 42 vision. It was under a bull indicator and pushing upwards, and it consolidated in the pre-market towards the bell. It had already jumped up nearly 20% plus, pulled back down, and took off to a highest point of 180% plus, and it got that bull indicator, no bear indicators all along the way, full strength until way back here at this point at around $4, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig pulling downwards in the day, and the second half of the day pushing upwards. It was not the only stock reacting like this. The SPY had actually jumped up as well. At 12:50 p.m., our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator, and within minutes, call options were up 2 to 3x, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and have that edge to either direction, guys. And you can now gain access to this as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators and the SPY bot. And let me go ahead and pull up the bull and bear indicators, which is 42 vision. And that is also something you gain access to by joining to have that edge and receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, guys. This is all about clarity and maximization and making opportunities, because volatility is not going to go anywhere, but the charts, you want to have that edge to maximize within it. So here we are with Bbig under a bull indicator. It actually received today a bear indicator after making these moves right here of some strength. A bear indicator popped up and things started to pull down pretty fast. It was almost going back towards $2, and you could see that support that formed there at 215, 214, give or take. That was a key level of support before going down towards 203, $2 and some change. Now, it bounced off of it, and if you really look at it and go ahead and draw this out, you can call this a double bottom effect, right? Right here and right here. Now, it quickly started to move back up, and the quick thing is that this aftermarket hours situation is not something anyone was expecting. It happened really, really fast, and here we are zooming in on the 5-minute. You could see how things started to pick up, and then all of it just went up that fast, right? From 224 to 238. Doesn't seem like a lot, but for Bbig going from 215 to 238, that is nearly right there a 5 to 8% move, nearly almost 10%. So when you see this type of momentum here, the question is, could it roll over into tomorrow? Well, we have resistance levels to break through, and we got to look at this from the bigger picture as well on the 4-hour. The first thing is it has to break through 243. I talked about that in yesterday's video, and I've talked about it in previous videos, how this 240, 243 area needs to be broken through, turn into a support, right? Then after that, we have way up here 267 and 270, right? 270 would be much more significant. And then we have up here 284 and then $3, right? So before getting to those levels, we have to first break through the levels here. And that would be 243 and then going up towards 250, 267, and 270. But this move here, okay, that we see today has been a huge movement of strength, guys. It goes to show us that from way down here at $2, it found support. It's pulling away from it. Even though it pulled back down, it jumped back up, and it's trying to stay away from coming back here where the weakness actually lies, and also where it built strength to bounce off of. It used $2 as support. To be exact, 203, but $2 was the next support. Bounced away from it, didn't even touch it, and as things pulled back here, it started to pick up momentum, and it rolled over into the after hours. So we definitely want to see this roll over into tomorrow. It needs to break through the 240s, get up towards 250, 260, and then 270, right? Those are the much more microscopic levels. Now the bigger picture is $3, $4, and so forth. And let's go ahead and look at this here with the 4 hours so you guys can see how quickly things have actually shifted, and how this, if it continues, if there's a continuation, could be the beginning of the first bull indicator popping up and negating this bear indicator based off the 4 hour. This is the first time that we see a dark green bar popping up. This doesn't guarantee it, but it could be on its way towards it, especially if it breaks through 243, get up here towards 270, and have a continuation and push up with the continuation of the transitions, right? From white with red borders to red with green borders, dark green, and a continuation, and a bull indicator popping up within that move, negating this bear indicator. That would be big. That would be a big sign of strength, especially if it could be followed by some strong volume and momentum, and also short squeeze data. I mean, that would be a huge, huge push of strength. Now, the 1 day here also shows us the bigger picture, right? Things have continued under a red bar. It is not showing us reversal. We're going to have to see going into tomorrow and next week if this could continue and break out of this red bar and turn back around, because right now, based off the 1 day, it's actually just sitting sideways and under a red bar, and not a red bar with a green border. And we've been under a bear indicator since up here at the 420s. So right now, within the volatility, there is some strength forming. We'll see if it rolls over into tomorrow and even next week. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.